If you're building scenes in Cinema 4D and rendering with Redshift, you know the feeling all too well. Hit render then. Wait for hours, sometimes overnight, just to see whether a single camera move looks smooth. And when the deadline is close, upgrading your entire home rig for more GPU power isn't always the most cost-effective option. That's why iRender built a PaaS render farm service dedicated to Cinema 4D and Redshift. You rent a cloud server pre-installed with C4D Redshift and the GPU drivers, and work on it just like your own machine, except the processing power comes from clusters of RTX 4090 GPUs, many times more powerful. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire workflow: logging in, transferring data, creating a server with the right configuration, connecting remotely, rendering, and downloading your results. Let's get started. You can log in from iRender's homepage or through the iRender GPU app. Use the transfer data feature. Simply drag and drop your files into the input drive, Z:, following the on-screen instructions. The dashboard tab shows the service packages iRender offers, currently 3S, 4S, 5S, and so on, corresponding to the number of RTX cards. In this video, we're using the 5S package, 4 times RTX 4090. Name your server, set the operating system, and select C4D and Redshift to be pre-installed. Boot the machine and adjust your usage plan settings. You can check out our quick guide videos to better understand each feature. iRender gives you full flexibility to customize your server to match your needs. Don't forget to activate your software license. Connect to the server through the service ports provided. On the remote machine, first use iRender's License Manager to activate C4D and Redshift. Copy your data from the input drive to the server. Open C4D and Redshift, then check and adjust the settings needed for your project. Once everything is ready, start rendering. After the rendering process is complete, don't forget to copy your results to the output drive, Y:. Before leaving the server, remember to log out of the iRender license manager. Finally, download your results from the output drive. And that covers the full workflow for using iRender's PaaS render farm with Cinema 4D and Redshift, logging in, transferring data to the input drive, creating a server with the right GPU configuration, connecting remotely, activating your license, rendering and downloading your results from the output drive. The strength of this PaaS model is that you don't need to invest in hardware or worry about maintenance. You only pay for the time you actually use, while still keeping full control over your software and settings, just like working on your own machine. If you found this video useful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming render farm and cloud rendering tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments if you run into any issues along the way. See you in the next video. Turn your computer into a supercomputer. Your renders, your rules.